Hello everyone, welcome you to the video session on probability distributions. So already we have studied two probability distributions related to discrete random variables. So they are known as discrete probability distributions, namely binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. So in today's video session, we will be discussing about one of the continuous probability distribution known as exponential distribution. Now, as I already told you, exponential distribution is a continuous probability distribution. So a continuous probability distribution having the PDF, that is probability density function f of x, given by f of x is equal to alpha e power minus alpha x for x greater than 0 otherwise, where alpha is always greater than 0, is known as the exponential distribution. So you have a continuous probability distribution with the PDF like this. So that probability distribution is known as exponential distribution. So you can observe here f of x is always greater than 0. The probability is always greater than 0 is satisfied. Here it is already 0. Here it is, since x greater than 0 and alpha greater than 0, this product will also be greater than 0. Also you can verify the second condition, integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx. What is f of x in the interval minus infinity to infinity? So from minus infinity to 0, f of x is 0. From 0 to infinity, it is alpha e power minus alpha x, right? So integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx can be written as integral 0 to infinity alpha e power minus alpha x dx. Alpha constant you can keep aside, keep it out. Integrate e power minus alpha x with respect to x. Integration of e power minus alpha x is e power minus alpha x by minus alpha. So limit from 0 to infinity. So again this 1 by minus alpha, take it out. Alpha by minus alpha gives you minus 1. Apply the limit for e to the power minus alpha x. So when x is infinity, it becomes e power minus infinity, which is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, e power 0 is 1. So minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. So both the conditions are satisfied here. So remember, the PDF of exponential distribution is f of x is equal to alpha e power minus alpha x when x greater than 0, and it is 0 for all other values of x. Now what is the mean of the exponential distribution? The mean of the exponential distribution is given by 1 by alpha. Standard deviation is also 1 by alpha. Consider one problem here. If x is an exponential variate with mean 3, then find p of x greater than 1, p of x less than 3. The question is, x is an exponential variate with mean 3. So you know what is the PDF of the exponential distribution. So first you write down the PDF of the exponential distribution. F of x is equal to alpha e power minus alpha x for x greater than 0. When x greater than 0, it implies x greater than 0, it is less than infinity. One and the same. 0 otherwise. So f of x equal to alpha e power minus alpha x for x greater than 0 or x varying from 0 to infinity, 0 otherwise. What else is given in the problem? Note it down. It's an exponential variate with mean 3. What is the mean of the exponential distribution? 1 by alpha. So in this particular problem, 1 by alpha is 3. So what is your alpha? 1 by alpha is equal to 3. 3 is from the given data in the problem. So what is alpha? Alpha is 1 by 3. So what is your f of x with alpha equal to 1 by 3? F of x is equal to 1 by 3 e to the power minus x by 3 for x greater than 0 and it is 0 otherwise. Okay, substitute the value of alpha here. Now the question is, find p of x greater than 1. Find the probability of x taking value greater than 1. So where does this x greater than 1 belongs to? In the first or the second interval? Here this is for x greater than 0. So x greater than 1 comes in this interval only. Right? So I have rewritten here f of x with alpha as 1 by 3. So x greater than 1. So you can write it as integral 1 to infinity f of x dx, or by taking the complement you can write it as 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 1. 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 1. P of x greater than 1 is 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 1. What do you mean by x less than 1? X less than 1 means x will be from minus infinity to 1. X will be from minus infinity to 1. So from this, in this interval minus infinity to 0, x is 0, right? So the required integral you have to take is only from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. So 1 minus integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. So what is f of x? 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3. So substitute here 1 minus integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. Substitute for f of x. 1 minus integral 0 to 1 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 dx. Okay. So that is 1 minus 1 by 3 you can take out. Integration of e power minus x by 3. Integration of e power minus x by 3. That is e power minus x by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. E power minus x by 3 integration is e power minus x by 3 divided by the coefficient of x, that is minus 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 cancels with 1 by 3. Minus minus becomes plus. So 1 plus e power minus x by 3, limit from 0 to 1. Okay. So now apply the limit. 1 plus, when x equal to 1, e power minus 1 by 3, minus when x equal to 0 it is e power 0, that is 1. So e power minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 get cancels. It is e to the power minus 1 by 3. Or probability of x greater than 1 is e to the power minus 1 by 3. Get the value from your calculator. You will get it as 0.7105. What is the next question? Second part of the question. Probability of x less than 3. What do you mean by p of x less than 3? X varies from minus infinity to 3. Right? X varies from minus infinity to 3. But what is x from minus infinity to 3? That is minus infinity to 0 plus 0 to 3. minus infinity to 0, f of x is 0. So you are considering only from 0 to 3. So integral 0 to 3 f of x dx. What is f of x? Substitute 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 dx. You are integrating this from 0 to 3. Okay. So minus 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. Right. So 1 by 3 get cancels, minus remains. Integration is similar for all the problems here. So minus e power minus x by 3 from 0 to 3. Apply the limit. When you apply the limit, minus take it out. X is 3. So e power minus 1 minus x is 0. So it is 1. Or 1 minus e to the power minus 1. E to the power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by e. Right? Calculate the value using your calculator. You will get p of x less than 3 is 0.6321. You have one more problem here. If x is an exponential variate with mean phi, x is an exponential variate with mean phi, evaluate p of 0 less than x less than 1, p of minus infinity less than x less than 10, p of x less than or equal to 0 or x greater or equal to 1. Okay. So first see the given data. X is an exponential variate. So what is your f of x? F of x is alpha e power minus alpha x for x greater than 0, 0 otherwise. So in sometimes what we do is here that 0 otherwise we don't mention. If x less than 0, f of x is 0. So what we do is we only write f of x is equal to alpha e power minus alpha x for x greater than 0 or in the interval 0 to infinity. It is understood that in the other interval f of x is 0. Okay, so don't get confused here. Now it is given that the mean is phi. What is the mean of the exponential distribution? 1 by alpha. So 1 by alpha is given it as phi. So what is alpha? Alpha is 1 by phi. So rewrite your f of x with alpha 1 by phi. F of x is equal to 1 by phi e power minus x by phi. X varying from 0 to infinity. Now this is very simple. The first one is probability of x taking value from 0 to 1. That is nothing but integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. Integral 0 to 1 1 by phi e power minus x by phi dx. So 1 by phi you keep aside, integrate e power minus x by phi, that is e power minus x by phi divided by 1 by phi. So 1 by phi get cancels, minus remains, minus e to the power minus x by phi. Limit from 0 to 1. Apply the limit, which is equal to minus of e to the power minus 1 by phi when x is equal to 1 minus when x is 0, this is simply 1, or 1 minus e power minus 1 by phi. So calculate this value. What is e to the power minus 1 by phi? Then 1 minus e power minus 1 by phi. You will get it as 0.1813. So P of x varying in the interval 0 to 1 is equal to 0.1818. Okay, coming to the next one, P of minus infinity less than x less than 10. So x varying in the interval minus infinity to 10. So how do you write this? Minus infinity to 10. This can be written as minus infinity to 0 and 0 to 10. Right? Minus infinity to 0 and 0 to 10. So minus infinity to 0, f of x is 0. So we need to consider only from 0 to 10. P of minus infinity less than x less than 10 is equal to minus infinity to 0 integral f of x dx plus integral 0 to 10 f of x dx. Okay. So this, as already I told you, this integral is 0. So integral 0 to 10, what is f of x? Substitute 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 dx. So as we have done before, integrate e power minus x by 5. You will get e power minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 get cancels, minus remains. Apply the limit and evaluate. 1 minus 1 by e square, that is 0.8647. So probability of minus infinity less than x less than 10 is equal to 0.8647. So what is the next one? P of x less than or equal to 0 or x greater than or equal to 1. When you have or, you know that probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B, right? So probability of x less than or equal to 0 plus probability of x greater than or equal to 1. Probability of x less than or equal to 0. So when x less than or equal to 0, obviously f of x is 0 by the definition of exponential distribution, plus p of x greater or equal to 1. So x varies from 1 to infinity. So integral f of x dx from 1 to infinity. That is integral from 1 to infinity of 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 dx. So integrate e power minus x by 5. You will get minus e to the power minus x by 5 from 1 to infinity. Apply the limit for the upper limit here, that is when x is equal to infinity. What do you get? E power minus infinity, that is 0. For the lower limit, when x is equal to 1, e power minus 1 by 5. Right? So your answer is e power minus 1 by 5 or 0.8187. Okay, take up one more problem. The length of telephone conversation in a booth has been an exponential distribution and found on an average to be 5 minutes. Find the probability that a random call made from this booth ends less than 5 minutes, between 5 and 10 minutes. So first understand the problem clearly. It's given that it is an exponential distribution. Directly it is given in the problem itself, it is an exponential distribution. So the length of telephone conversation is found to be on an average of 5 minutes. So it's an exponential distribution with an average of 5 minutes. So what is the exponential distribution PDF? F of x is equal to alpha e power minus alpha x for x greater than 0. And it is also given that the mean is 5. So 1 by alpha is equal to 5 or alpha is equal to 1 by 5. So rewrite f of x. F of x is 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5. So this is your PDF, probability distribution. So what are you required to find? You are required to find the probability that a random call made from this booth ends less than 5 minutes. So P of x less than 5. P of x less than 5. X less than 5 means x is from minus infinity to 5. But as you already know, minus infinity to 0, f of x is 0. So we are considering only integral 0 to 5 f of x dx. Right? Substitute for f of x. Integral 0 to 5 f of x is 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 dx. Integrate, you will get minus e power minus x by 5, limits from 0 to 5. So minus into, when x is equal to 5, e power minus 1, that is 1 by e, minus x is 0, that is 1, or 1 minus 1 by e. Calculate this value of e from the calculator and simplify. You will get P of x less than 5 as 0.6321. The next one is probability of x, probability of the variate x varying from 5 to 10. X varying in the interval 5 to 10. So that is equal to integral f of x dx from 5 to 10. So as usual, substitute for f of x, integrate, apply the limit. When x is equal to 10, that is e power minus 2. When x is equal to 5, it is e power minus 1. Simplify, verify your answer. P of 5 less than x less than 10 is equal to 0.2325. In a certain town, the duration of a shower is exponentially distributed with mean 5 minutes. What is the probability that a shower will last for 10 minutes or more, less than 10 minutes, between 10 to 12 minutes? So read the question carefully. It is an exponential distribution. So immediately you can write down what is f of x, what is the PDF of an exponential distribution. F of x is equal to alpha e power minus alpha x for x greater than 0, and the mean you have is 1 by alpha. So according to the problem, mean is 5, so alpha is 1 by 5. What is the probability that a shower will last for 10 minutes or more? 10 minutes or more, that is P of x greater than or equal to 10, less than 10 minutes, P of x less than 10, between 10 to 12 minutes, P of 10 less than x less than 12. So the first one is P of x greater than or equal to 10, that is integral from 10 to infinity f of x dx. Evaluate. When x is equal to infinity, e power minus infinity becomes 0. So you will get 1 by e square, or the value of that is 0.1353. Next, p of x less than 10, that is integral from 0 to 10, and that is 0.8647. Next, p of x from 10 to 12. So integral from 10 to 12 f of x dx. Apply the limits and simplify. 0.0446.